What's going on YouTube? Today I got a brand new YouTube video for y'all, and from the title today I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new and improved Popl bands. So these Popl bands came out recently and they work just like any other Popl except that they are on a little bracelet. So you guys can see they just connect with magnets and just go around your wrist just like a bracelet like that. Check out this video right here if you guys would like to check this one out. Popl recently just came out with a new and improved Popl band. If this is your first time hearing about Popl and you would like to learn more about it, I have many other YouTube videos explaining what Popl is and how it works, but just a brief little summary. Popl is basically a little circle that can be put on the back of your phone like this, can be used as a keychain or even as a Popl band or even on the new and improved Popl bands. It's used to share information very quickly. So if somebody asks me, hey, what's your Instagram, what's your YouTube or something like that, I can just go ahead and tap it to the back of their phone, and it works with not only iPhone but also works with Samsung. And if I go ahead and tap it to the back, it opens up the same page that I showed up on my profile here. Now also what's new with Popl is that you can even show a business profile. So this is my personal, this is my business. So this is all my business stuff. So I can go ahead and just tap it to the back of the phone also, and it opens up the business one. So let's get right into the YouTube video and unbox the brand new Popl band. So right out of the package, the Popl band. So here it is, the Popl band, the brand new and improved Popl band. This is the older version of the Popl band. This is the new and improved Popl band. It has like a nice silicone texture to it. Here's the back of it. Here's how to set it up. You download the Popl app by scanning the QR code or by visiting popl.co/app. You create an account in the Popl app, you activate your band, and you tap your band to any phone to share your info that you have set up on your app. These are the social medias that can be shared with Popl, which is what makes it really cool and really versatile and really useful for entrepreneurs and just people that want to share their information. It's an NFC powered wristband that instantly shares info to any phone. It can be downloaded in the App Store or even on Google Play, and one size fits most. As you guys can see, it has all the little holes. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on now and show you guys how it looks. It's kind of similar to putting it on an Apple Watch. It has kind of like the same texture as the Apple Watch band, the sport band. I'm going to go ahead and just line it up and just push it through like this. And then the little piece in the middle of the hole actually does fall out, which makes it really cool because all the other little holes won't get filled with like dirt or anything like that. So as you guys can see, it's a nice little band. And it fits perfectly. Actually, it has a lot more holes too if your wrist is smaller or bigger. It doesn't take up a lot of space, so you can just carry it and you won't even know it's there. With the old Popl band, it's only a one size. You couldn't even adjust it. It's still an amazing product, don't get me wrong. The new and improved Popl band is of course a lot better. As you guys can see the difference between the older and the new version. The new version is a lot more better. And the Popl logo is also kind of engraved into it. And it's just nice and thin and takes up little to no space. So let's go ahead and set it up here. So my account's already all set up. I'm going to go ahead to set up a Popl, and I'm going to go ahead to a Popl band, and we're going to tap here to activate. We're going to hold it to the back of the phone, and then boom, successful activated your Popl. So now my Popl band is now activated, and I could just tap it to the back of my phone, bam, and it opens up my business profile. If someone asks me, say for my Instagram or something like that, bam, tap it to the back of their phone, and here is my Instagram, my YouTube, my Venmo, and all that stuff. The cool thing about Popl is that you also have the ability to share only one thing. So say you only wanted to share your Instagram, just go bam, turn direct on. So now it'll only share your Instagram. So if I go here, tap it to the back of the phone, it goes straight to my Instagram because I turned direct on. So now it would only share the Instagram. If I want to share my YouTube as direct on, it will only share my YouTube. Go ahead and tap it to the back of the phone, and it'll go straight to my YouTube, as you guys can see. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K. I'm really close to it, and I really appreciate if you guys would subscribe. If you guys would like to pick one of these Popls up, make sure you use my code HULIMENDOZA to get 20% off your order, and just make your life a lot easier because you don't have to waste a lot of time telling people your Instagram and stuff like that. Just one tap like that, and then boom, everything is there. And like I said, they come in many different things, such as the band, the keychain, or just the one that goes in the back of the phone, and also the flat one that can go even under your case. The Popl band is only $25. If you guys use my code HULIMENDOZA, you will get 20% off, which will be a little cheaper. And who doesn't like to save money? Like I always say, time is money, so save time and be efficient with your time, because you'll be losing money if you're not efficient. But Popl makes things a lot more efficient. It's super easy, and you also save money as you go. This product is nicely made, looks really nice and sleek, and just you want to look professional and you're an entrepreneur and somebody asks you for your phone number or any contact information so they can get a hold of you, just go like this, tap to the back of the phone, and it also makes a nice first impression on them because they're like, oh wow, that's cool. Another cool thing about Popl is that you can even turn off your Popl. So if you go ahead and click here to profile off, tap it to the back of somebody's phone, and then look at that, it says the profile is off, so they cannot get into my profile. If I turn it back on in a matter of seconds, boom, just opens up just like that. Instantly just opens up. That's the cool thing about Popl. They're so advanced, and they're advancing so quickly. But if you guys would like to pick one up, first link down in the description below. Julio Mendoza, get yourself one of these. They're amazing products. Get 20% off of it and save some money, and then in the long run save time, which will save you money. Like I said, Popl is a really cool tool for the entrepreneurs out there and people just want to be known and want to share their information. They're super easy to use and super versatile, can be used in many ways. So yeah, if you guys would like to pick one up, first link down in the description below. Use code Julio Mendoza at checkout, get 20% off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.